This is gonna be a little special video for y'all. So as you can see over here, I have a little bingo card right here. What this is I'm gonna go through the games that we just won not too long ago. Where are they? So today we are going to be spectating Junior. So basically what Junior has to do here is he has just have to get me a bingo. And if he gets me a bingo, I don't know if he will, but if he gives me a bingo, then I'll gift him something, I don't know. But it's just a little idea I came up with. So as you can see, the bingo card is filled with a bunch of random things. I will explain each and every one of them once they get picked, if they ever get picked. So Junior this game played Widowmaker and Reaper, and for that specifically I made this card to go around those two characters. So let's see what happens, shall we? Let's see. Just to give you guys a better just to give y'all like a better sight of what's happening.
My bite is fatal.
Man, I should really make the space bar like... Well, okay, hold on. A lot of just happened right there. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to keep this up because it's a lot, but I don't know if you just noticed right here. Hold on. Let me show you. That right there. That right there is what I wanted to see. Where is it? One shot, one kill. There we go. That's already on the board. He has not said hi yet. At least not what I said. Okay. Gotta keep track of. Okay, that's another one. Alright. Okay, did that give me anything? No. Not really. I didn't hear it say double kill, right? Alright. Okay, apparently, yeah, double kill. I don't know how, but double kill. Where is it? I just had it too. Where was it? Do I not have double kill? No, there it is. Double kill. Alright, there we go. Play. I hope this kind of gives you like I hope this is entertaining actually. I'm going to be posting this in the memes channel or in the regular channel. I don't know which one. Alright, there we go. Man, hold on. Should I change something? I don't know if I could change it right away. No, we're good. Sorry, it's work in progress. Okay. Shooting the Sigma while he's eating, that's good. Missing, that's great as well.
A train of blood.
Okay, that was alternate kill, right? Yeah, that was alt kill, right? Well, not that far. Come on. I believe that was alt kill. I just want to make sure. Yeah, that's alt kill. All right, where is it? All fire kill. There we go. Okay. You still have to say hi. Not that I know of, but I don't think he said hi yet. Okay. That's not a useless ult because
no one can hide from my sight.
That's not a useless ult because he got one person.
I'm
Okay. Was that useless?
Now I truly feel alive.
Alright. If we didn't have a double kill out right now, we would have. There we go. Gets me pack. There we go. Looks like we need a game win or an off-death map, which is hard on this map. It's not impossible, but it's not exactly easy either.
Thank you.
Good, thank you. Alright, he died to tank.
Merci.
Spanning voice line, we'll love to see it.
Nano boost administered.
The boss. Watch out.
Hold on. Hold on, I need to see.
Step into my power.
No, not that.
Wizdick.
I just need to see if this is a useless ult. Was that a useless ult? I don't know. We're in free cam now. Alright, we're gonna have a better idea here. Alright, Diva's gone. Yeah, that was a useless ult. There we go. Useless ult. I did it. That's great. Back to our chosen one. See what he does here. Missed the headshot. This is another one. Almost dies. Alright. Still no high. I died again. And he didn't die to healer, but but David did. We also died to Lars not too long ago. I forgot that. Oh, she also used grab. Well, I'm sorry. I'm losing my mind here. Dies to heal. There it is. All right, now we can continue. We're gonna skip forward a little bit. I don't think anything happened. All right.
No one can hide from my sight.
Does he get a walls kill? Damage. Damage. Died to healer again. Okay, now he has Reaper now. Is that a useless Wraith? I mean, it was to get him closer to the point, so I don't think so. Alright, he killed the tank, and yep, kill tank. There we go. Kill tank. Next. Go. That's not a useless Wraith. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Wraith from damage. There we go. He still hasn't said hi. Right now, my best bet is BM. Not even BM. Oh. Alright, that Genji was Stupid.
Surprise.
You said surprise. Let's go.
Death stops for no one.
You try to raise from damage, so still nothing so far. All right. Okay, destroying large thing. That's always good. Raise from damage and stuff. There's a double kill. Alright, there's a team kill right there. What the heck? The game's already over. Melee. Oh. So yeah, as you can see, we didn't get a bingo. Dang it, Junior. BM off death map game win. So we got a game win. However, we did not get an off death map. For those of you who do not know off death map is, it's just if they fall off the map. Which on Shimbali, it's not impossible, but it's not common. Hey guys, ZYDOMINUS here. So the video that you just seen right now was a video that I didn't feel like it was alright by itself. So therefore I made it the first entry into a new series of videos that I'm going to be calling ZYDOMINUS Fridge. If you guys do not know what this means, it's just a category of videos that I did not feel like belonged by itself on the channel, or it could be a compilation of clips that I have left over from editing that I found that were funny but didn't feel like they belonged into the video. So therefore I came up with this idea, ZYDOMINUS Fridge, because what do you put inside a fridge? Leftovers. And therefore this is what this is going to be. Pretty much a leftover viewing of all the stuff that you see me and the guys do. Anyways, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you support this little video idea that I have. It's just something for me to kind of branch out into my own creativity. Again, this has been ZYDOMINUS. I hope you all have an amazing day. Thank you. God bless you all. Christ is King. Peace.